daoibh agus fáilte go freis Éire. Hello and welcome to the channel. Rinne an físe seo le de chuirte agus de teilech agus fulam Gaeilge le chéile. Share this video with your friends and family and learn Irish together. Gaeilge is the true language of Ireland. It represents the island's unique culture, history and embodies the people. It is also one of the 24 official languages of the EU. Ach Éire an chur, tá úsáid de na teanga ag Gaeilge. Unfortunately, the use of the language is declining. Ach tá dúchais an fós, there is still hope. In Ireland, Gaeilge is 2.7% of people's first language, but 40% can speak Irish. Ach dús, click the subscribe button and bút an ordóg sús for a turn on look at the Irish. Anish, fólam fumid fé cuaig obertí éasca as Gaeilge. Now we will learn 25 easy sentences in Irish. Gaeilge or Gaeilge with a more throaty sound depending on the dialect is the standard Irish greeting. It means hello or more literally, God be with you. Gaeilge, hello. Gaeilge is the standard response to Gaeilge. It is not used as the initial greeting. A full video on greetings is being released on this channel next week. Gaeilge, hello. Codisanam ditch means what is your name? Codisanam ditch, what is your name? Ismisha means I am. Mar hampla, Ismisha Sean, I am Sean. Ismisha, I am. There are three main ways to ask how are you in Irish, predominantly based on the three main dialects of Irish Gaeilge. Connacht originates from the Munster dialect. Connacht, how are you? All three versions are widely understood across Ireland. Cainteoir is the Connacht version of how are you. Cainteoir, how are you? Chaoi is the Ulster dialect. It is sometimes pronounced Gaeilge Maratatu. Chaoi, how are you? The common response to how are you is Tame Gama, I am good. Tame Gama, I am good. The alternative to Tame Gama is nílim Gama, I am not good. Nílim Gama, I am not good. Alternatively, you can say Tame Gahinta, I am great. Tame Gahinta, I am great. You can also respond Tame Ufasuk, I am awful. Tame Ufasuk, I am awful. Lay de hell means please in Irish. Lay de hell, please. Is ábalta an tábhachtach ag gur amach. The sentence gur amach is very important. Gur amach, thank you. Gamaleshgel means excuse me as Gaeilge. Gamaleshgel, excuse me. Fáilte means welcome in Irish. It is often used in the context Céad Míle Fáilte, 100,000 welcomes. Fáilte, welcome. The Fáilte wrote is the response to gur amach. The Fáilte wrote, you are welcome. Tá brón orm means I am sorry as Gaeilge. Tá brón orm, I am sorry. Sláinte means health as Gaeilge. It is often used as a toast. Sláinte, health. Slán should not be confused with sláinte. Slán means bye as Gaeilge. Slán, bye. Tá mé ag fólam Gaeilge means I am learning Irish. Tá mé ag fólam Gaeilge, I am learning Irish. Éire means Ireland as Gaeilge. Éire, Ireland. Cén tá mé means what time is it? Cén táimé, what time is it? Tuigeann mé means I understand. Mar hampla, tugann mé a lán Gaeilge tar éis an cursa sin. Tugann mé, I understand. Ní thugann mé means I do not understand. Ní thugann mé, I do not understand. Tá áthas orm means I am happy. Mar hapla, tá áthas orm nuair a féacum fíosa nua ó freiséire. Tá áthas orm, I am happy. Tá fíosa nua ag teachtain se thugann. New videos are coming next week, including a special video about Ireland's national sport, hurling.